Hey everybody, Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades, and our trade of the week didn't make so much money that it blew our socks off, but it's a really important lesson here. About a month ago, we turned off the API reports family money trade label. In other words, it was no longer a family money trade because it had 3 stopouts in a row. Now, we have a setup that we send to our members every week. And it's not that complicated. Let me get the right shot on screen here. And it's a range trade. Now, if you notice on this journal here, there's 4 winners in a row. Well, about a month and a half ago, we had 3 losers in a row, so we turned off the family money trade label. Now the trade has made a comeback. I love trades that revert to the mean and become the good event that they are. So we have our nice range trade set up. The API made money again this week. It's not how much money it made, it's the whole point that it is now back to being a winning trade, 5 in a row after having 3 losers in a row, but it returned to the mean. It went back to good trading because we've actually had 8 winning API trades in a row before that little losing streak. So our API report is the trade of the week because it's back. You have to have faith in the setup. Don't give up because these reports, they work over and over, and API has been profitable now 5 weeks in a row. There it is, another API winning trade for the 5th week in a row, and API is our trade of the week. Thanks everyone. Leigh Goldstein for 10-Minute Trades. Don't forget to click on the link so you can join our membership and we can teach you how to do this. Click on the link, click on the link, and we'll make you a member and you'll be a happy trader. See you in the trade room, everyone. Hope you're having a great weekend.